Dear students, in the previous class we discussed about these four formulas. These are called compound angle formulas or sum or difference formula, whatever you may call. Now these four formulas again modified, we can get new results. See here, equation 1 and 2, I am going to add the equation number 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. Listen, now LHS we are going to add sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. That is equal to sine of a plus b, sine of a minus b. LHS, we are adding the LHS. In your RHS side, we are going to add these two. See, these positive result and the negative result will be removed. The remaining is, we can get 2 sine a cos b. 2 sine a cos b. This is the one of the new result. When we are adding equation number 1 and 2, we are getting a new result. This positive and negative will be removed. In the same way, equation from 1 and 2, we are subtracting now. First addition, then subtraction. The same way, listen, sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b. We are subtracting these two. Now we can get in your RHS side. Listen, subtraction means these two results will be eliminated. This result, negative of negative becomes positive. Therefore, we can get 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b. This is the second result derived from the above results. Already we worked out all these four formulas and proved also. Now adding 1 and 2, we are getting a new result. Then subtracting 1 and 2, we are getting one more result. In the same way, see, third equation adding with the fourth equation. 3 and 4 are adding. See, this positive sin a sin b, negative sin a sin b will be eliminated. Now we are adding LHS side, this cos of a plus b, again adding with the cos of a minus b. This cos of a plus b adding with the cos of a minus b. Now we can get in your RHS side, this positive and negative will be removed. We can get 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b. This is the third result. Say this is third Roman letter. Now adding 3 and 4. In the same way, 3 minus 4, that means subtracting. In your LHS side, cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. Cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. Now in your RHS side, now listen carefully. Cos a cos b positive. When we are subtracting this, we can get these two values are eliminated. Here you can get the negative. Subtraction means here you can get the negative symbol. So already sin a sin b negative. Here also you can get sin a sin b one negative. Therefore you can write like this: 2 sin a sin b with negative symbol minus 2 sin a sin b. This is the fourth result. So adding 1 and 2, subtracting 1 and 2. Adding 3 and 4, subtracting 3 and 4. The final result, that means this fourth result can be modified. Listen this one. If you are taking out negative or interchanging this one, we can write it like this: cos of a minus b. We are interchanging, we can get a negative minus cos of a plus b. So that means if you are multiplying with the negative here, this fourth result is multiplying with the negative. This will become positive, then this will become negative. Here you can get a positive result: 2 sin a sin b. This is also the same of fourth result. These are the fourth result. Fourth result can be modified because here you are getting a negative symbol. To avoid this negative symbol, multiply the result with the negative. So this will come first. That means it will take a positive symbol. Now it will get a negative symbol. Here positive result. So now we are getting 4 new results with the help of this one. So this is already we proved. From this we are able to get 4 new results. From these 4 new results, once again listen, this again can be modified. These results are called listen, sum here or difference. Sum or difference will produce the, see here, all our product. So here in your RHS side only the product. In your LHS side maybe sum or difference. The sum or difference always producing a product only. In this result, listen, A plus B equal to C. I am giving a name, A plus B equal to C. Again, A minus B equal to D. I am giving a one more concept from this. So A plus B, I am giving a new letter C. A minus B, that is equal to D. Now adding these two, when we can get 2A here, adding these two means positive B, negative B will be removed. Adding means A plus A, we can get 2A. Now this is C plus D. That means we can get A equal to C plus D divided by 2. A equal to C plus D divided by 2. In the same way, listen, A plus B equal to C. A minus B equal to D. Here adding, now subtracting. Subtraction means A minus A will be removed. B minus of minus, we can get 2B positive. In your RHS side, subtraction means we can get C minus D. From that, B equal to C minus D divided by 2. C minus D divided by 2. In these 4 results, now I am going to substitute or I can replace A plus B. See now A plus B equal to C. A minus B equal to D. So we are substituting these 4 datas, we can get new 4 results. Now listen carefully. A plus B, instead of this A plus B, I am going to substitute sin C. Listen carefully, sin C here plus sin D equal to sin C plus sin D. Here the same way, sin C minus sin D, that is equal to, here see, cos C minus cos D. Again see here, I am taking this one, cos C minus cos D, or you can substitute cos D first, cos C second, whatever you like you can substitute. Now see in your RHS side, now you are getting LHS 4 results. In these 4 results, C and D are newly introduced with the help of these concepts. A plus B equal to C, A minus B equal to D. So we can get sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, cos C minus cos D. Sorry, here first one, cos C plus cos D. Cos C, third result, cos C plus cos D. The fourth result is cos C minus cos D. Now, in your RHS side, what will happen here? See, 2 sin, this will become 2 sin. What is the value of A here? C plus D divided by 2. This is C plus D divided by 2 into, what is the value of the next one? Cos B. Cos B. What is the value of B here? C minus D divided by 2. C minus D divided by 2. See, these are the new results. How we are getting the new results? With the help of all the fundamentals only. How these formulas are derived, that is the observation. Everyone should learn all these concepts. Sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. If you are using, then you can automatically learn the basic concept. Here see, sin C minus sin D. See here, sin C minus sin D. 2 cos, that is equal to 2 cos. Now, what is the value of A once again? C plus D by 2. C plus D by 2. Then again sin. What is the value of B here? C minus D by 2. you are getting a one more result. Sin C minus sin D. Now cos C plus cos D. See here, cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2. Then cos C minus D by 2. From this Roman letter 3, we are getting a one more result. Then Roman letter 4, cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2. C plus D by 2. Then sin B is replaced by C minus D by 2. So from this, we are using first initially, we are selecting the sum or difference formula. From that sum or difference, adding 1 and 2, subtracting 1 and 2, adding 3 and 4, subtracting 3 and 4, we are getting new 4 results. In these 4 results, take the conditions A plus B equal to C, A minus B equal to D, adding we can get A, then subtracting we can get B, then substitute these data. Now we are getting again new 4 results. We are going to use all these fundamentals in your exercise problems. Listen carefully. Now we are going to work out how we are using these formulas in your problems. Now listen students. So far we discussed many formulas, how we are able to derive, then how we are able to convert many formulas. So far we derived. Now the basics of the same formulas, we are having some problems. It is in your exercise 3.4. You can refer your book. Prove that we are having 4 subdivisions. All are related only. Sin of A plus B multiplication with the sin of A minus B. In the first question, I am selecting LHS concept. What is the LHS? Sin of A plus B. This is multiplication with the sin of A minus B. Just now we have the addition and the difference formula or compound angle formula, whatever you can take this one. Sin of A plus B. What is the general concept of sin of A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Keep your memory. Sin of A plus B means starting from sin A cos B, then interchanging cos A sin B. In between addition. Now the same. Sin A cos B, we can get a negative symbol. That's our only difference. Minus cos A sin B. So take the basic formula from your knowledge. Sin of A plus B, sin of A minus B. Now see this one. This is in the form of A plus B, then A minus B. See here the same values only. Sin A cos B, here also sin A cos B. In between only one change. Here positive, here negative. Therefore, it is in the form of, take down like this, A plus B. This is in the form of A minus B. So, A plus B multiplication with A minus B, we can get A squared minus B squared. So, instead of A, we can squaring means sin squared A, cos squared B, minus, then B means here, cos squared A, sin squared B. So we are getting A plus B into A minus B, then multiplication of A plus B into A minus B, we can get sin squared A, cos squared B, cos squared A, sin squared B. Now use the application. See the proof. What is the proof here? Sin squared A, sin squared B. So we need this sin squared A. So now I want to eliminate this one. So I need sin squared A. Depends upon the proof. See the proof. Sin squared A. So sin squared A is wanted. So I want to remove the cos squared B. In the second place, sin squared B is wanted. Cos squared A will be removed. So sin squared A wanted. So keep as it is sin squared A. Now listen. Cos squared B will be removed with the help of the identity 1 minus sin squared B. 1 minus sin squared B. Again negative. Cos squared A now will be removed with the help of 1 minus sin squared A. So we want to eliminate cos squared A with the help of the identity 1 minus sin squared A. Here already you are having sin squared B as it is. Now this sin squared A is multiplication with this one. Again this sin squared B is multiplication with this factor. Just to multiply sin squared A into 1, we can get sin squared A minus sin squared A, again multiplication with the sin squared B, sin squared A, sin squared B. See now negative will open here, therefore minus sin squared B multiplication with 1, we can get sin squared B negative. Negative of negative becomes positive, sin squared A, sin squared B. Listen carefully, this one negative will open, so negative multiplication with 1 means sin squared B with the negative symbol. Negative of negative becomes positive, sin squared A, sin squared B. Now listen, this one negative, this one positive. What are the remaining values? See from this, the remaining value is sin squared A minus sin squared B. Sin squared A minus sin squared B. That is your required proof RHS. Required proof RHS. So no need to memory anything. Just use the application knowledge. Sin of A plus B. That is the formula already derived. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That is the only one knowledge you need. Then here negative means in between you can get a negative. Immediately use the application knowledge. It is in the form of A plus B. It is in the form of A minus B. If A plus B and A minus B multiplication, we can get A squared minus B squared. Here A squared means all these numbers, all these values, sin squared A, cos squared B, minus cos squared A, sin squared B. After this step, after you got this step, now compare with the result. What element should be removed from this? What element should be removed? Cos squared B should be removed with the help of the identity 1 minus sin squared B. Here cos squared A should be removed. Why? See the proof. We need only sin family. Therefore cos family should be removed. So that cos squared should be removed with the help of 1 minus sin squared. Here cos squared A will be removed. 1 minus sin squared A. Then just a multiplication inside. Then this positive value and negative value will be removed. We can get the proof. So this is the question number 1 proof. Take down and verify yourself. Try yourself. No need to copy directly. So try. What are the knowledge we are using? Just we need only sin of A plus B, sin of A minus B. Take down, then try yourself. Now listen students. We are going to prove the second question. The same as first question, just we finished. See the LHS. In your second question, see the LHS. Cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B. Multiplication with the cos of A minus B. Cos of A plus B. Multiplication with the cos of A minus B. Just we know the result of cos of A plus B. Cos A cos B. Cos A cos B. Just for your memory, suppose here A plus B here, then you can get a negative symbol here. Then sin A, sin B. So cos family will give cos A, cos B. Both cos minus both sin. Then the second one, cos A, cos B. Both cos. Here negative means you can get a opposite symbol positive. Then both sin family. Sin A, sin B. So just for your memory, cos family produce both cos, both sin. See here both cos, both sin. But suppose here you are having a positive symbol, here negative. See the second one. Here you are having a negative symbol, here you can get the positive. But for the sin family, sin and cos mixing. Sin A, cos B plus cos A, sin B. So sin family is the mixer. Cos family is the same family members. Cos, both sin. Now these two families once again multiplication. See here it is in the form of A minus B. So here A plus B. Once again multiplication, same problem. So cos squared A, cos squared B. That means A squared minus sin squared A, sin squared B. So a squared minus b squared we can get. So now listen the proof. In your proof you are having two results. This is result number 1. This is the result number 2. So we are going to prove the first result. After that we can verify the second one. In your first result, cos squared a, that means cos squared a wanted. So keep the cos squared a as it is. Then this cos squared b should be eliminated. This cos squared b should be eliminated means with the help of 1 minus sin squared b only. Use the identity. Now minus. We need the sin squared b. We need the sin squared b. We need this. Then the sin squared a will be removed with the help of 1 minus cos squared a. Now already you are having sin squared b. So with the help of this proof, we are going to remove which element we need, which element we does not need. So here cos squared a wanted. So cos squared b is eliminated. Here sin squared a will be removed. Sin squared b wanted as per proof. Now this cos squared a just multiply inside. We can get cos squared a minus this cos squared a is multiplication. We can get cos squared a sin squared b. Now listen, negative will open. Negative sin squared b. That negative of negative becomes positive. Cos squared a sin squared b. See here, cos squared a sin squared b negative. Cos squared a sin squared b positive. It will be removed. Now the remaining result, cos squared a minus sin squared b. See your RHS proof. Cos squared a minus sin squared b. So just the use of cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b, then it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b, just multiply. After that, see your proof. Which element we need, which element it does not wanted, that means removed. So cos squared a keep as it is, this is unwanted. In the same way, this is wanted, this is unwanted. Unwanted means we can eliminate with the help of identity only. So use the identity. After that, just multiply inside. You are able to get the proof cos squared a minus sin squared b. That is proof number 1. In the same way, listen. This is the proof number 1. This is proof number 2. See the second proof. We want to prove the second one. Now listen. Now take this one. Again I can write it. Once again, cos squared a, cos squared b, minus sin squared a, sin squared b. This is the result. We can get a plus b into a minus b formation. Now see the second proof. We need cos squared b. This is wanted. So this is unwanted. Therefore, this cos squared a I can remove with the help of 1 minus sin squared a. Now keep this cos squared b as it is. Minus, see the second one, sin squared a wanted. This is wanted. This is unwanted. So sin squared a keep as it is. This sin squared b can be replaced as 1 minus cos squared b. Now just multiply inside. This cos squared b multiplication with 1 we can get cos squared b minus cos squared b again multiplication with the sin squared a. Sin squared a cos squared b. Again negative. Sin squared a is multiplication with 1. Negative of negative becomes positive. Again we can get sin squared a cos squared b. Now see the result. This negative sin squared a cos squared b. This sin squared a cos squared b positive will be removed. The remaining is cos squared b minus sin squared a. That is your RHS. See the second proof. Cos squared b minus sin squared a. So from this you are able to derive two results. Depends upon the result which element we want to eliminate with the help of the identity. That is the knowledge you have to learn from this. So refer the proof always. We need which element. So according to that we have to eliminate the unwanted element with the help of the identities only. Okay. Now try yourself. In the same way, now we are going to try the third question. Now listen students, I am going to prove sum number 4. That is very simple. The reason is, just now we proved that sum number 2, with the help of the sum number 2, we are going to prove this one. So I am going to take fourth question as the convenient. That is the convenient. So take the LHS. What is the LHS value here? Cos of 8 theta, then cos of 2 theta. Now by using the application, it can be converted like this: cos of 5 theta plus 3 theta. This is the application knowledge you need. Then cos of 2 theta means 5 theta minus 3 theta. This is the knowledge. See here, 5 theta plus 3 theta. We are adding, we can get 8 theta. Then 5 theta minus 3 theta. We are subtracting, we can get 2 theta. So this 8 theta can be simplified like this. 2 theta can be simplified like this. The same one. Now it is in the form of cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Just now we proved this one in your question number 2. So that I am taking this one as a convenient. So this 8 theta can be put in the form of 5 theta plus 3 theta. Then cos 2 theta can be put in the form of 5 theta minus 3 theta. Now it is in the form of cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Just refer your second proof. This is equal to cos squared a minus sin squared b. This is equal to cos squared a sin squared b. Just we prove. Now listen. Instead of a, what is the letter we are having? 5 theta. Therefore, the result is cos squared a is replaced by 5 theta. Then minus sin squared. What is the value of b here? Say a is common. Here also 5 theta. Here also 5 theta. That should be very confidently you can speak like that. Here 5 theta is a. Here 3 theta is b. Here also you can split the same method only. See here, a is 5 theta, b is 3 theta. So that a is 5 theta. Instead of a, I am replacing 5 theta. Instead of b, I am replacing 3 theta. See the proof for the fourth question. Cos 8 theta, cos 2 theta is equal to cos squared 5 theta minus sin squared 3 theta. This is the simple problem. So I am taking the fourth question because second problem, we are using the knowledge of the second problem. So very simply you can identify this 8 theta can be put in the form of 5 plus 3. 2 theta can be put in the form of 5 minus 3. Immediately you can use your knowledge. It is in the form of a plus b. It is in the form of a minus b. That is the knowledge you require. By practice you can get, every day you are practicing, you can get the every base knowledge. Cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b. You are just now we proved cos squared a minus sin squared b. So we have two proof. Select the first one because depends upon the proof. Cos squared a minus sin squared b. A is replaced by 5 theta, then b is replaced by 3 theta.